Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Working Out with Rufaro. If you're thinking of working from home in 2022 and need ideas on where to start, then this video is for you. In this video, we're going to go through top 5 work from home jobs that you can consider for 2022. Some of the jobs require technical skills and some don't, but only you can decide what will work best for you. The world is changing and you're right to consider working from home so that your income is not disrupted, whatever the situation. There are tons of companies and platforms that are now offering remote-only jobs, and we're going to go through some of the most practical and best online jobs out there. Before we get started, I'd like to thank Talk360 who are sponsoring this video. Talk360 is a calling app that enables you to use your own number to make local and international calls directly to a mobile or landline number that you want. The app is available on both the App Store and Play Store, and you can use it to make calls in over 190 countries, which is super awesome. Topping up your account and making calls is super easy, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. The first thing that you need to do is to go to your menu and tap Buy Credits. Talk360 gives you more than 5 online payment methods to top up your account. In my case, I'm going to use my MasterCard to top up my account. Once your account has been topped up, you can now go to your contacts and make a call. One of the amazing things about Talk360 is that the receiver does not need to download the app, buy data bundles, or even have an internet connection. The app also has lower rates than most network providers, which makes calls super cheap and affordable. To top it all up, you can easily share credit with friends and family, even when they're not yet using Talk360. To download Talk360, just go into this video's description box and click the link that I've placed for you there. Using this link, you immediately get 10 Rand worth of free credits, which will give you 30 minutes talk time if you're in South Africa and making calls to other South African numbers. If you're not in South Africa, don't worry about it. You can still use this free credit to call whoever you want, wherever they are at low rate. And any 3 people who download the app using this link and also tag a friend in the comment section, either here on YouTube, my Instagram or Facebook page, under the Talk360 post, will automatically stand a chance to win free Talk360 credit worth 1,000 Rand, 500 Rand, and 250 Rand. When you've downloaded Talk360, please let me know in the comment section what you think of the app. I'd love to hear about your experience. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with everyone in your network so that I can continue to create awesome content for you guys. The first job that we're going to take a look at is being a virtual receptionist. A virtual receptionist performs many of the tasks that a traditional receptionist does, from taking calls, setting up appointments, managing clients, to basically the overall management of the admin side of the business. Virtual receptionists can also perform virtual assistant jobs, so you aren't limited to a specific set of skills. If you're a great organizer and you enjoy talking to people, then this job is for you. In South Africa, a virtual receptionist can earn anything from 8,000 Rand to around 15,000 Rand per month, and with an hourly rate of around 250 Rand to around 750 Rand. And in the United States, a virtual receptionist can earn a monthly salary of around $2,400 to around $5,600, with an average hourly rate of around $19 to around $40. Companies here in South Africa, such as virtual receptionists and real receptionists, are regularly looking for virtual receptionists that would like to work with them. And in other parts of the world, you have companies such as Silent Partner, Slack, Viki Virtual, Posh, and Virtual Assistant Canada who are always on the hunt for new virtual receptionists. Virtual receptionists can also work on a freelance basis and sign up on platforms such as Upwork, FlexJobs, Guru, Fiverr, Freelancer, People Per Hour, and Thumbstack. The next job is being a proofreader. A proofreader is someone who reviews written content to make sure that it is free of typos, grammatical errors, spelling mistakes, punctuating errors, and any other errors that you can find with written work. Proofreaders usually hold a bachelor's degree in English or journalism, but almost anyone can really do well as a proofreader if they can show that they know how to do the work. If you know how to read and write, and you're meticulous at reviewing stuff, and you just know how to pay attention to detail, then you can consider proofreading as a profession. In Canada, the average monthly salary for a proofreader is around 2,500 Canadian dollars. Companies such as Scriber and Proofreading Services are also always actively looking for remote proofreaders that would love to work with them. And proofreaders can sign up on platforms such as ProBlogger, Upwork, Grammarly, Sevilla, Proofreading Pal, Wordsroo, Word Advice, and Kibben, so that they too can also provide freelance services or online services as a proofreader. If you really think about it, graphic designers can work from anywhere. They bring their creativity to life through visual concepts that communicate messages that inspire, motivate, captivate, and inform customers. Some graphic designers hold a bachelor's degree in graphic design, whilst others are self-taught and they know their way around popular graphic design software such as Adobe Creative Suite, Figma, Affinity Designer, Canva, and many more. The average monthly salary for a graphic designer in South Africa is around 13,000 Rand to around 32,000 Rand, and the average rate can be around 100 Rand to around 950 Rand here in South Africa. And the United States, graphic designer can earn anything between 4K and 7.5, with an average hourly rate ranging from around $35 to around $70 as well. So most digital marketing companies are always on the hunt for graphic designer, and some are also looking for either a hybrid situation where you can either work remotely and from the office alternatively, or you can work remotely as well. Graphic designers mainly sign up on platforms such as Biz Community here in South Africa. You can also sign up on LinkedIn, Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, Flex Jobs, and Remote to promote their services. The reign of beauty influencers is far from over, as companies such as Estee Lauder are spending more than 75% of their marketing budget on influencers. It is estimated that 55% of consumers who purchase beauty products also consult beauty professionals before making a purchase. So the next top work from home job for 2022 is being an online beauty advisor or consultant. Beauty advisors are similar to beauty influencers in the sense that they too recommend beauty products to consumers and also show them how to use them. Very few beauty advisors work for companies, but instead work for themselves. While some beauty advisors have degrees or diplomas in cosmetology or even beauty therapy, a vast majority do not have any formal qualifications and they are self-taught. As a beauty advisor, you can provide private consultations through video chats, Facebook groups, and help customers to purchase the right products for their needs online. You can also make money through subscription services where you provide monthly information, tutorials, and advice to subscribers for a recurring monthly fee. The average monthly salary for online beauty advisors in South Africa can range anywhere from 6K to 12,000 Rand, and the hourly rate from around 35 to 250 Rand. But I know of other beauty advisors who are charging way more than this. And in the UK, beauty advisors can earn anything between £1,200 to around £2,500, with an hourly rate of around £10 to £55. Companies such as Sephora and Estee Lauder are always on the hunt for beauty advisors and beauty consultants, and in some cases they also offer remote services where you can actually work from home. Beauty advisors can sign up on platforms such as Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, or even just create their own websites to drive traffic and generate income. Online beauty managers, also known as OBMs, provide virtual support to companies that need help to manage daily projects, processes, team members, and also tracking how the company is performing. With more and more entrepreneurs taking their business to scale and becoming too busy to manage their businesses, there is a huge demand for online business managers. Most OBMs work on a freelance basis and they are not in formal employment. Remember that if you are providing freelance services, you determine how much you want to charge for your services. Organizations such as the International Association of Online Business Managers provide training and certification to help you to get started on your own OBM journey. Online business managers can also sign up on platforms such as Flex Jobs, Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, and also create their own websites like what Tyrone Makina has done as an OBM. We've come to the end of this video and I hope that you found it useful and very relevant right now with everything that's going on, and you'll be able to find something that will help you to be able to start your own work from home journey. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any new content. In 2022, we're coming in hot as we need to start making money from home and running our own businesses. Don't forget to share this video with anyone that you